Crown witness testified that he was BLACKMAN'S banker and the driver.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
In a riveting testimony Wednesday morning, September 22nd, the prosecution's first witness and a self-confessed member of the St. Catherine-based Klansman Wandan gang told the Home Circuit courtroom that he was the gang's banker. The witness also told the court that it was his duty to keep the gang's money and that he would collect sums from a man at the Spanish Town bus park from Monday to Saturday. That is my everyday job, to pick up every single day. If not in the day, then in the night. Only Sunday I did not go, he testified. According to him, he collected between $80,000 and $100,000. He said he also collected $150,000 from a loans company under orders from accused gang leader Andre Blackman Bryan. According to the witness, he kept a record of all the money he collected and stored it at his home in a refrigerator. That money, he said, would be used to, among other things, pay for rental cars, purchase guns, ammunition, and to pay lawyers. He said besides collecting extortion money, he had also collected $200,000 monthly from other sources for the gang. But when asked by the prosecutor as to who had given him that money, he said he would rather not say. When pressed further as to his reason for not divulging who had given him the money, he explained that he had security concerns as those individuals are powerful people. The witness said he kept a daily record of monies received and spent in a book that he destroyed sometime in 2018 when he learned that a state of emergency was going to be imposed on Spanish Town. He said he feared that lawmen would come to his house. Them kill and murder people, and was responsible for a couple communities in Spanish Town, he said, when asked by the prosecutor how he knew that the group was operating as a gang. The witness also described Bryan as a feared leader of the gang, whose commands were carried out without question or hesitation. According to the witness, he met Bryan in 2016 through another member who is now deceased and shortly after became his driver. Asked why he chose to become the driver for Bryan, he said, "I learned he was Andre Blackman Bryan, and you don't refuse a gangster." He told the court that his friend, a former top-tier member of the gang who introduced him to Bryan, has since been killed. The witness, who testified that he transported Bryan daily, said that the alleged leader would often sleep at his house. He said Bryan would give his instructions by phone or from a recording studio in Spanish Town that he was constructing.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!